Hi, I'm Rick Ferrer from Chemical Concepts. I'm going to show you our new H2O Sticky Stuff canister for vinyl pool liner foam. This is for applying the foam behind the vinyl liners before you put the vinyl liner in. It comes with a 24-inch extension gun and also a canister. This is a self-contained aerosol canister. First thing you do is take off the little safety cap, and you take your hose and you attach it to your gun. There's two different ends, so you can't put it on wrong. This is standard fitting. Okay. It just goes on the tank next. And you open up the canister all the way. Then you take a piece of cardboard or something and just run the air out of the hose. That's the kind of spray pattern you're going to get. Basic idea, instead of using aerosol cans, you have a nice big wide pattern. Put out plenty of glue fast, you can keep moving very quickly. I'll spray these other panels here. That's basically what you do. Then you take your foam, slap it up. Then you're done. You put your vinyl liner in. It was a lot easier than using aerosol cans. You're not sitting there with a small spray pattern. H2O Sticky Stuff has a lot of advantages over aerosol cans. Bulk system, it's fast, it's economical, but it's very sticky.
Thanks, sir. And next to that, hold on. It's so it's out to the bottom. Try to eat.